Hi, my name is Isidro Alvarez and I'm the owner of Alva Flooring Inc.
Hi, my name is Isbeth Alvarez and I am the office manager of Alva Flooring.
Alva Flooring offers floor repair, refinish, and new installation. The type of flooring that we install are solid hardwood floor, engineered hardwood flooring, and vinyl plank flooring. Alva Flooring offers large selections of flooring products. For example, as your classic American oak, American hickory, American walnut, and also tropical woods like Brazilian cherry, Brazilian walnut. You should choose Alva Flooring because we are a small family-owned business because our crew has been working together way before we established Alva Flooring. Our crew takes pride on the workmanship that we do. They have many years of experience in the hardwood floor industry, so they really enjoy doing what we do. We ensure quality by knowing our species of wood, also knowing our sanding sequences. Every hardwood product, it can be different from one to another. I work with the products that we really know works really well. For example, some products require, if we are staining, we had to do a process that is called water pop in order to achieve a more consistent staining look. Alva Flooring holds a sand and finish certification as well as a craftsmanship work certification. And we also are a diamond certified. I started Alva Flooring in 2015 after of many years experience working for other flooring contractors. We serve Contra Costa County and Alameda County. Concern that the client has when they are looking for a floor refinish is the amount of dust that it's gonna produce. And that's when I tell them we have invested a lot of resources in acquiring the best HEPA vacuum that are out in the market. If you are looking for a great hardwood floor company that delivers on its promise, give us a call. We are happy to help.